Hey guys, if you guys want to see how I got this intro, continue watching my video and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye. So first, you're gonna need to download the app called Pocket Video. This app, I use it for if I want I use it for editing as well as my intros and my outros. First, you're gonna always use custom depending on what you're doing, and always choose landscape. Never choose portrait. You're gonna have those two black lines, and then you're gonna click on title, and you're gonna have a selection of all those, and I'm going to choose one of the plain ones. If you skip across, you can have all the different movements if you want, but I'm gonna choose a plain one. As you guys can see, I'm gonna click on the text box and change my font. Type what you want to type. I don't know what you guys want to do. And after that, I'm gonna choose the color black because it blends in well with the pink, so you can pull it across to get the perfect color depending on your color and everything. And after, I'm gonna click on stickers, and as you guys can see, I'm gonna type in whatever you want, but I'm gonna type in makeup. After you type in makeup, see, you have a lot of choices. You're gonna type, I don't usually use GIFs, I mostly use stickers, and I got that. Then I'm gonna click stickers again, and I'm gonna click add, and I'm gonna look for something else that I think is best for my intro. As I said, I choose makeup, so I'm gonna click that lipstick, and you're gonna see you have that 3D effect. That's the reason why I use GIFs and sticker, to give it that 3D effect. And girl, I'm broke, I don't have time to purchase all those apps. So yeah, I'm gonna look for this Jamaican flag. I'm gonna add it into it to give it a little mix, yeah. To get my images the way I want or the size I want, I pinch it, and you can rearrange it however you want. See this video popping already, and it ain't even done. Yeah, so a tip for you guys: whenever you want to do thumbnails or anything, always put the thing you want and add PNG. That gives it a background, a transparent, so it doesn't look like a picture. So I'm going to show you guys right here. Whenever I save this image and I add it, it looks like I'm using an expensive app, but I'm just using PNG, so it doesn't have a picture look, if you know what I mean. When I'm done saving my image, I click on photo sticker, then add, and then I allow, and I go in my camera roll and I find this PNG image. As you can see, it gives it that no picture look, so it looks like I'm a pro when I don't know, I'm not a pro. So anyway guys, I'm gonna size that and fix it a way that I want, and I'm gonna add my Instagram at the bottom. This is a preference, you don't have to do it, but I want to do it. To add text, I click on text, and then I click on add. Whenever I click on add, I go on dynamics, and as you guys can see, whatever video you can do, you can click on those. It gives a lot of options, but I'm not doing any of that, so I'm gonna click on dynamics, and the first one I click it and give it a text. Now that the Instagram logo and username has been done, I'm gonna go in and do the same thing for Snapchat. I decided to like give this a little switch up and add image. So I'm going to add photo sticker, click add, allow to my camera roll, and select the image that I want. I'm going to select the image of myself and I'm going to rearrange this. I did this. It's a preference. If you don't want no pictures of yourself, you don't have to put it, but I love me and I wanted to put my cute face on there, you know. Yeah. So once you're done with your intro, guys, you can slay. So I don't add any music until later on, so I press no, then at the top is a green thing, click on finish, then I click on save to camera roll. And yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up, because you know you got a bum ass intro now. Bye guys.